In this comprehensive review, we delve into everything you need to know about the Bip 6, from its stunning display to its advanced health tracking capabilities. Key features. AMOLED display. One of the standout features of the Amazfit Bip 6 is its vibrant 1.97-inch AMOLED display. Unlike the traditional TFT screens found in many budget smartwatches, the AMOLED display offers rich colors, true blacks, and higher contrast ratios. This means that everything, from notifications to heart rate data, appears sharper and more vivid, making it easier to read even under direct sunlight. It boasts a peak brightness of 2000 nits, which is an impressive feat for a budget-friendly smartwatch, ensuring visibility during outdoor activities like jogging, hiking, or cycling, even on bright, sunny days. Premium aluminum alloy frame. The Amazfit Bip 6 features a premium aluminum alloy frame that enhances the smartwatch's durability and aesthetic appeal. This upgrade moves away from the plastic body of its predecessor, the Bip 5, giving the Bip 6 a more refined and polished look. The combination of aluminum alloy and fiber-reinforced polymer on the back of the watch makes it more resistant to daily wear and tear, while keeping the overall weight light. The Bip 6 weighs just 31 grams, which makes it comfortable to wear throughout the day and during overnight sleep tracking. Advanced health monitoring. The Amazfit Bip 6 packs a robust array of health monitoring features that elevate it beyond standard fitness trackers. Some of the standout features include 24/7 heart rate monitoring. The Bip 6 tracks your heart rate continuously throughout the day, allowing you to stay aware of your cardiovascular health. Whether you're working out, resting, or sleeping, the watch records your heart rate and provides real-time data. Blood oxygen (SpO2) monitoring. The SpO2 sensor is crucial for understanding your body's oxygen saturation levels, which can help identify early signs of respiratory problems or fatigue. This feature is particularly useful during strenuous activities or high-altitude conditions. Sleep monitoring. The Bip 6 tracks sleep stages, light, deep, and REM sleep, and provides insights into your sleep quality. The device also features HRV, heart rate variability, tracking, which analyzes your heart rate fluctuations during sleep to assess your autonomic nervous system's activity and recovery. 140+ sports modes for fitness enthusiasts. The Amazfit Bip 6 is a powerhouse with over 140 sports modes. Whether you're into common sports like running, cycling, or swimming, or niche activities like kite flying, artistic swimming, or trail running, the Bip 6 has a mode for virtually every activity. Zepp Coach AI Training Assistant. One of the unique features of the Amazfit Bip 6 is Zepp Coach, an AI-powered training assistant. This feature uses the data from your workouts and health monitoring to create personalized fitness plans based on your progress and goals. It's an innovative tool that sets the Bip 6 apart from many budget smartwatches. Unlike generic fitness recommendations, Zepp Coach analyzes trends in your heart rate, stress levels, sleep quality, and exercise performance to give tailored guidance on improving your fitness levels. Bluetooth calling for added convenience. The Amazfit Bip 6 supports Bluetooth calling, allowing you to make and receive calls directly from the watch without needing your smartphone nearby. This is especially helpful when you're on the go, during workouts, or when your phone is in another room. With the built-in microphone and speaker, you can communicate clearly without compromising the convenience of being hands-free. GPS and navigation capabilities. The Amazfit Bip 6 is equipped with advanced GPS functionality, supporting 5 major satellite positioning systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou. This ensures that your routes are accurately tracked during outdoor activities like running, hiking, or cycling. Whether you're on a trail run or a city bike ride, you can trust that the Bip 6 will give you precise data about your distance, pace, and route. Automatic brightness and environmental awareness. Another handy feature of the Amazfit Bip 6 is its ambient light sensor, which automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the surrounding light conditions. This feature is extremely helpful when you're moving between different environments. For example, in bright sunlight, the watch will boost the display's brightness to ensure readability. In low light or indoor settings, the brightness is automatically reduced, which helps conserve battery life. Affordable price point. When it comes to affordability, the Amazfit Bip 6 shines. At just $80, this smartwatch offers a feature-rich experience that rivals devices costing twice as much. It's a budget-friendly wearable that delivers premium quality without breaking the bank. The Amazfit Bip 6 is an outstanding budget smartwatch that delivers exceptional value for its price. With its AMOLED display, premium build quality, advanced health tracking, and AI-powered features. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey or stay connected on the go. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of high-end smartwatches, it offers a fantastic range of functionalities that appeal to both casual users and fitness enthusiasts.